In Bodhisattva's vow, we begin, when I, a student of the way, look at the real form of the universe. When I, a student of the way, look at the real form of the universe. In a way, that's very important. And yet, in a way, it might distract us to think there's some real form other than right here. Right here, the real form of the universe, if we want to say the vast sky, is this moment life, this moment clouds as they are. All is the never-failing manifestation of the mysterious truth of the awakened life. In any event, in any moment, in any place, none can be other. And yet, each cloud, each moment, each place is this particular place of our life practice universe. In the Midwest, you all know very well, even though it's all the vast cloud, the vast sky, the vast weather the way it is right now, yet it is the way it is right now. If it's tornado weather and you say, oh, it's all the vast, it's all the myriad forms of the universe right now, and you miss the fact that it looks like a tornado there. I better get down into the shelter. The real form is the never-failing manifestation of the mysterious truth. And the real form is the tornado that's coming, and I have to get into the shelter. The real form is the rainstorm as it is. The real form is the hot sun, and I should make sure I've put on suntan lotion and wear a hat. See, that's why form is exactly emptiness, but emptiness is exactly form, and our practice is not to fall on one side and not to fall on the other side, and yet take care of this side, take care of that side. Take care, be, know, remember, it's all the vast sky. It's all the never-failing manifestation of the mysterious truth that is our love. And it's this particular form as form, not form is some sort of emptiness, but form is exactly this as it is now, and our response, your response, my response, is with this particular form as best and skillful as I can be to manifest this bodhisattva's truth that is my life, that is your life. Therefore, when I, a student of the way, look at the real form of the universe, it's this real form right here. It's this real form of who I'm speaking to, what I'm responding to. And yet, all is the never-failing manifestation of the mysterious truth of the awakened life. In any event, in any moment, in any place, none can be other and so on and so forth. Nothing but this glorious light. And yet, if it's dark, take off your sunglasses, get a flashlight. If it's too bright, put on your sunglasses, get a hat and a shade, your eyes. So, case 16 of the Book of Equanimity. Mayoku thumps his staff. I should, well, let me say it and then I'll add. Attention! Mayoku arrived at Showcase Place holding his staff. He walked 3 times around the meditation seat of Showcase and thumped his staff once. Showcase said, "Right, right." Mayoku afterwards went to Nansen's place, walked 3 times around Nansen's meditation seat and thumped his staff once. Nansen remarked, "Wrong, wrong." Mayoku said, "Showcase said, right. Why do you say wrong?" Nansen said, "For Showcase it is right. For you it is wrong. What comes from the power of wind in the end becomes broken and crumbled." This case 16 in the Blue Cliff record, case 16 in the Book of Equanimity is also case 31 in the Blue Cliff record. Exactly the same case. Mayoku, or the Chinese form of his name is Maku, goes to Shokei. Chinese form is Cheng Qing. And then he goes to Nansen, which is Nanchuan. But the case is exactly the same, both in the Blue Cliff record and in the Shoyoroku Book of Equanimity. Let me just show you this. When it says, he walked around with the staff, it's a staff like this. I think you can see it. It's got these, let's see if it'll show it there. It's got these rings on the top. And so that's the staff. So this is when we have transmission, we use a staff like this. And this one that was actually one that I found this ring attachment in an antique store in Los Angeles and gave it to Maizumi Roshi to use for Dharma transmission with Joko, and someone, Tenshin actually, was the one who added on the staff, Tenshin Roshi. And then when I had transmission with Joko, she gave it to me, back to me, so to speak. So anyway, so this is carrying the ring staff, which is what you usually took when you went on pilgrimage. I should say the 3 characters in this case, Mayoku, Shokei, and Nansen, are all students of and successors of Matsu or Baso. Matsu is his name in Chinese, and Baso is his name in Japanese. So this is unique in the sense that the same case is in the Blue Cliff record, Heikigan Roku, and in the Shoyoroku. And The differences are in some of the commentaries and the capping phrases on these. I won't say more. I will continue to talk about the case next week, but I thought you should hear it, and we'll come back to it again next week because it's a very powerful case, just like this fundamental matter. That's what this is. So I'll stop here, and next week I'll continue with the case. As I said, it's case 16 in the Book of Equanimity and case 31 in the Blue Cliff record. So, thank you.